In Meru, we want to make sure that every region of this great county is represented by the bus party. We are making sure that when it comes to sharing of the national resources, the bus party with our driver will make sure that he is seated at the table where the national resources are being shared. And we want to appeal to our people that they should be behind this great party, so that every other region, when we come to sharing of the resources, we are considered in equal terms. For example, in Mount Kenya region, we know that Mount Kenya East, that is Embu, Tharaka Nithi, and Meru, we constitute almost half of the population in this region. And when it comes to sharing of the resources, and the politics is about sharing of the national resources, we have been taken for a ride. That is why, with our able leader, we are going to make sure that Mount Kenya East gets the share of the national cake as per other regions within Mount Kenya region.
It must come now for us to think of local politics and local development. When we look at local development, Bus Party is the best party that can take us through development of Meru. Every area is unique, and Governor Kiraitu is the most person who can give us the best development for Meru County for now.
Tumeambia driver wetu akifika stage akikuta mama amebeba mboga aingie kwa basi, mama aende sokoni. Mama akikuta anauza mandizi anabebwa anaingia kwa basi. Kama kuna gunia ya machungwa anaingia kwa basi, wanasalimiana huko ndani, wanaenda wakikula machungwa. Na wale ambao wanaenda mjengo huko na wheelbarrow ichukuliwe ifungiwe huko njoo kwa keria, ibebwe na basi twende mbele. Na sasa hii kwa sababu kunanyesha, kama uko na mwavuli ingia kwa basi, ukishuka unajifunikia. Na kama wewe uko na kuku unapeleka kuku sokoni, ingia kwa basi wewe kwa keria, ukifika huko tunachinja kuku tunakula. Kwa hiyo chama ya basi ni ya kitaifa, inabeba kila mtu.
We want to empower our people. We don't want to give them handouts. We want to make our people rich. We want to invest in them, build their capacity, so that instead of waiting on the road to be given handouts, they themselves have their own money. I used to say, at this, bandara ya kungoja mheshimiwa akununulie chai ya shilingi 20, mheshimiwa ni moja tu. Si hata sisi tunaweza kuwa na pesa, hata sisi tumununulie chai. Yeah, so we want to empower our people so that they make their own money. We want to empower people so that they can be confident. So that is why the Devolution Empowerment Party of Kenya seeks to empower the people, specifically the disabled. We want to transfer more money to the disabled and train them so that they can be able to support themselves. We want to transfer more resources to the youth of this country. We want to transfer more resources to the women and other marginalized groups. So the Devolution Empowerment Party is the only party in Kenya which has programs and a focus for empowering people at the grassroots level. It is the only party with a focus deliberately for forcing more resources to come to all areas of Kenya. It is only through that even what they are talking about, every party is now talking about the economic language of the poor. Vile watatoa watu mashinani, wengine chini, wawekwe juu, but we are not seeing concrete programs. So we, as the Devolution Party, want to put in place very concrete measures through which we are going to empower people, and the easiest one is through policy, by transferring more resources to the rural areas. That is why we are going to empower our people. The bus is not just a bus. The bus is a vehicle for moving you from one place to another. The bus is a vehicle for transferring the people of Meru from hopelessness and poverty